investing in any of the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap or Coinbase will not make you a millionaire. Now, these are the set of coins you need to invest in to become a millionaire. They can make you some decent money, like some few thousands, but they'll not make you millions with small investment. All right, those that are using large investment could get a million or something, but small investment you won't get a million investing there. Let's check out this. Right, before we go on, now you just have to do me a favor by subscribing to my channel 𝐻𝐫𝐴𝐻𝐵 Monday, so that you can be getting videos like these. Alright, this is my channel. I upload amazing videos about all this crypto forex and a lot of business things. Alright, so now these are the crypto to invest. First of all, you might have to just go to your CoinMarketCap, and when you get to CoinMarketCap, if you put your cursor on this crypto, now look at the top 100 coins right here. These are the top 100 coins. You see BTC number 1, followed by Ethereum, then Binance Coin, then Tether, Cardano, Solana, XRP, and Polkadot, and Shiba Inu. And they up Dogecoin and up on the 100. All right, and they all have a market cap. Right, look at the market cap of Bitcoin right here, and then the volume it's being traded. All right, so look at the circulating supply, all right, of BTC. Okay, the same with Ethereum. All right, and then the volume that it's being traded. Why the market cap of BTC is over 1 trillion, and then that of Ethereum is over 500 billion. All right, and the volume in circulation and all of that. All right, so these coins here up on the 100 will not make a millionaire, because they have some larger volume already, market cap already, and it means, look at this now, if this volume, the market cap of Ethereum is $500 billion, and then the price of Ethereum is about $4,000+. all right, it means that for Ethereum for this price to double, it means that Ethereum, this market cap, have to double to $1 trillion. All right, or like $1 trillion. Okay, so for that to happen, that means for you to have double of your funds here, this has to increase, and you know that's pretty much. All right, so now this is where to find those coins that you are looking for to actually make good money from. Now you go to cryptocurrency, click on recently added, and now when you click here, you will find some decent cryptocurrency here to invest in that still have a very low price value, like Topcat Inu, and that still have a volume of traded volume within measure of how much cryptocurrency is traded in the last 24 hours. So in the last 24 hours, it's been traded about $1 million. All right, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain. And then we have other one, my shiba. So this just the market cap of this one is available. It's still very low though. All right, so you can see most of them don't have a market cap, but you can see the volume they've been traded for the past 24 hours. Okay, so you will see a whole list of them and when they were being added. So there are so many. Okay, all right, so now, so what I do most time is, if you go to this most visited, all right, if you go to most visited, you will see the one that is most visited that most persons have actually gone through. All right, look at the volume of the card girl. All right, it's about the trading volume for the past 24 hours about $33 million, which means if you put your money on this coin and it actually blow up on the long run, then it's going to be worth a lot. All right, it's going to be worth, for the past 24 hours it's gone down by 22%, and then for the past 7 days it's gone up by about 707% plus. All right, for the past 30 days it has gone up by over 15,000%. all right, So you see a host of different one here, most visited, most visited. All right, you see Shiba Inu. All right, is right here. No, Shiba Inu is has already gone far. Okay, so now you could also check the most recently added, but there are also there are a lot of fake tokens. All right, there are a lot of fake tokens. Please be wise, make your researches before you invest money into any token that you want to invest your money into. All right, with that being said, now I believe you know how to make some researches about the coin that you would like to invest your money into, the coin that you like to dive into. Okay, so I wish all of y'all safe investment, good profit, and a lot of cash out. All right, so be sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video if you really love what I do, if you really love this video. All right, so with this now you can go on, make a lot of researches, invest in a lot of coins, and then make good money on the long run. All right, making detailed researches to before you can buy a coin is not restricted to this what I've mentioned in this video alone. There are a lot of other details, researches that I have mentioned in every other video that I've uploaded here. So you should be sure you're actually following me and watching some of my videos. It's actually very educating, and I'm going to be uploading more and more videos in the future regarding this particular set of investment stuff. All right, all things cannot be said in one video, so it means that you just have to be subscribed and enable that notification bell button so that you can always be tuned up whenever I upload a video like this. All right, so I believe now you can pick up from somewhere and make some researches for yourself and invest in good projects before they actually come up. Thank you for watching my video. See you. Smiles.